Hi everyone! Today I'm doing some makeup. I think I'm gonna do a general style of makeup that I've seen on TikTok for like fantasy makeup. Um, and I'm gonna talk about some stuff that you can do if you have the physical touch love language during this time of physical distancing. Because I don't know about you, but it can be really difficult when your sources for that, like, affirmation of affection is taken away from you. And I know that the people out there who are physically distancing and have physical love language are probably feeling it a bit more than everyone else. So, all right, let's get started. So, the kind of makeup that I've seen on TikTok recently has been elfy, fantasy, slightly punky, and this might just be giving away a lot of like what I like to watch on TikTok. That's fine. That's fine with me. I just realized I don't have a mirror. So, not in here at least. So yeah, physical distancing is pretty hard. It is especially hard when you have touch as a love language. Nobody's touching each other. No handshakes, no high fives. And if you live in the US, you already are probably lightly starved for physical touch. It is an actual thing. You can get touch starvation. People in solitary confinement, that happens to them a lot and kind of gives you like minor depression because we humans are social creatures. And so we need physical kind of communication between one another. And so there are a lot of different ways that one can kind of, I wouldn't say get around it completely, but mitigate some of the effects, which I will talk about after I finish this base. Another characteristic of this TikTok makeup stuff is usually that it's not like super contoured, it's more like soft and glowy and like rounded and innocent and stuff, but I'm just doing a little tiny bit of contour because I don't want to look like a blob. You know, it's not good to look like a blob. Okay, only slightly blobby. Physical touch. So the things that I have found to be helpful, hot showers are really nice. I guess it kind of gives you like the warmth, like somebody is hugging you. That is really helpful. Even just standing in the shower and just kind of letting it hit your back is really nice. So much blush, come on. Other things that are helpful, if you have a weighted blanket, kind of sitting with like the weighted blanket over your shoulder can really be nice as well. It's like the weight of somebody just putting their arm over your shoulder. It's real cozy. If you lay down, put a pillow behind your back as well. It's kind of comforting just to have something there. Also, animal cuddles. Animal cuddles are great. Can't see what I'm doing. Can't see what I'm doing. 'Cause I'm blind. Not legally, but the camera is only a little bit away from me and I am having a very hard time seeing details. Just a little bit of peachy love. And then I'm gonna poof it out with some light skin. This looks really red on me. It's not supposed to look that red. Also, sorry for the light source. I got a window. That's my light source. I'm using a Morphe palette today. This is Stunning Vibes 35V. And I'm using the pretty like top shade up here for my highlight. And also I think I'm gonna pop it on my lid too because it's glowy and dewy and cute and I'm a princess. Also for the other, so for my crease color I used this guy right here. And then I also popped this on my lid and kind of like buffed some of that out a little bit. Very soft look. I'm using the Aurora Lights BH Cosmetics palette, and I think I'm going to utilize... Oh, that actually didn't turn out too bad blending-wise. Okay. They're uneven. Never mind. I take it back. Go in and fix it. Fix it. Yeah. There we go. Lighting's a little bit better now. Angle's a little worse, but it's okay. So yeah, physical touch is very important. It is difficult to kind of keep sanity without it sometimes. And it's just because I think it's grounding. We are very social creatures, like I said before. And so having that physical touch is almost like maybe like a reassurance that everything is not too crazy. Maybe I do some silver. I'm going for the light and airy look. So that would be flashing. Oh yeah, I think I like that. I probably could have gone with a warmer tone one. There's also a white in here, but I did do white from the Morphe one on my lid already, so I needed something a little bit different. Arg. Peachy and dewy and pretty and glowy. Perfect. It's gonna start as normal and then it kind of morphs into not as normal as it goes. So this right now is pretty wearable, but it gets less wearable. Okay, so my favorite thing to do is line under with a pencil. This one is Wet n Wild. I just like the pencil line because my eyes water a lot and I feel like pencil line smudges a little bit better and also irritates my under eye a little bit less. I'm gonna stick myself with a pointy end, man. Ooh, I did it. I stuck myself with a pointy end. Oh, I was gonna use white. So yeah, looks a little normal. Now it's gonna start to get less normal. NYX Milk Late, or Milk, yeah. I think that's French, sorry. Milk is the English. Oh, that looks goofy right now. Gonna do my brows really quick. So brows are a little different. I don't really want to shave them off and make them super archy, which is what it usually is. Yeah. Well, yeah. Look at that brow difference. Definition, man. Definition. Ooh. Bangs, why? Why you do this to me, Bangs? Oh, snap. Maybe I should actually consider filling my brow. The big brows are a thing on TikTok. It's a lot of like self-expression-y brows. Ooh, I also can fix my eyelashes. Get all of the gross stuff off of it so that they coat better. I'm just trying to get the excess white off. Okay, NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil because it was cheap and I needed a brow pencil. Hey, you know, cheap makeup can be very handy sometimes. So, oh, my hair on the other hand. A lot of people do brows before base, and I think it's because you can get a really nice arch line and you also don't do what I just did, which is make a really long fake hair. Yep, there it is. Okay, there's a reason people fill. I get it now. I added white lines on my face using the Jumbo Eye Pencil NYX crayon thing and like a little brush to kind of get some detail in there. Do I look cute yet? So another thing, the physical touch starvation stuff. Something else that was on there about it is it comes out as aggression sometimes. Also sexual dysfunction, weirdly enough, if you're like touch starved. That happens. And then high stress levels and body image issues. So all of the fun stuff. Not so fun. Yeah, I don't really know where this makeup is going. It started out as like TikTok makeup. I don't know if it's going to end up in TikTok makeup. I mean, this still kind of fits some of the vibe right now. Freckles. Freckles everywhere. Why freckles everywhere? Well, that actually worked out pretty well. I'm using this color right here. Yeah. To make little freckly spots. Do I look freckly? Or just like spotty? It might just end up being spotty looking. If you live alone right now, that can be very difficult to deal with because it's a real thing. find some friends who you can, I don't know, maybe just crash with the entire time. Especially, it helps if you're not like doing in-person work. Maybe see if you can go crash with a friend. I'm gonna do my, ooh, smells good. Transylvania NYX Soft Matte Lip Color. That's what I'm gonna do. So, and I'm just gonna do it on the top lip, I think, and then I might go over it with black, we'll see. I gotta say, this color is brand new and it is really chunky. Because everybody has like the little smile thing, so you're just extra smiley. I think I'm gonna do it with black, just for like the emphasis. And the other color did not work out well. This is NYX Vinyl, strictly vinyl in 04 Femme Fatale. I'm gonna put some lashes on. I think I'm gonna do cute. See, doing, oh yeah, doing feather lashes, cause I'm not going anywhere today. We're social distancing. Oh no. This is problematic, because this is not opening. It's prosthetic adhesive, which is what I usually use for eyelashes. These are super cute lashes that I got from a Halloween store though. Look how, ooh, okay. Before I go find some hot water to open this, Psychology Today was talking about how more Americans than ever are facing like loneliness problems and report not having somebody that they can talk to about important issues. So something that may help with this like loneliness and this hunger is finding somebody who you can trust and literally just sharing and talking about what's going on with your life. I personally have found that very helpful. Being alone a lot the past 2 years is really going out and putting myself out there to try and find meaningful relationships with people who I can talk to about things. Oh, this is like transferring really bad. Ooh, go from there, find people who you like to talk to. I think that'll help a lot, at least with the loneliness factor. There are a ton of people out there who are going through the same exact thing as you, so you shouldn't feel worried about like coming across that way. You just gotta find people that you trust. So trust your instincts with it. If there's somebody who seems a little off, try somebody else. If there's somebody who's like really putting themselves out there, you respect that a lot, maybe they're a good person to open up to. I don't know. And embrace the oddball people out there in your life, because oddball people are just fantastic. That's what it is. Oddball people are great. They have confidence in doing what they do, and they're not necessarily looking for approval from other people. They're just following what they like. And I think that they're a little easier to trust because they have so much confidence in their stuff, and they can help you find maybe some confidence in the things that you're not so confident about. Go out there and share some interaction with some people on social media. And by out there, I mean like we're still social distancing, we're staying home, we're sheltering in place. So try your best to do it within the confines of the internet. Video chats are great. I've done a couple of video chats and they really, really helped me out. So yeah, continue to do that. Play some Animal Crossing. I don't know. So the bottom lip was really boring and I was tired of you guys seeing my chapped lips, so I put on some CoverGirl in shade Razzle Dazzle 500 Metallic. Oh, that's backwards. Too bad I'm not changing it. Hot water is a beautiful thing because it unsticks all the stuff. Oh, I love it. Loop. Gotta let them dry for a minute. But yeah, let me know what you guys are up to these days, how you're working with the skin hunger. If you're single, have you gone to go back home to be with family during this? Like, how are you dealing with the pandemic? Oh gosh, placing eyelashes. People make it look so easy. Oh, there we go. Briefly it was in the right place. Like this video if you would prefer weird videos about makeup over like beauty makeup if I decide to do them. Oh, I like these eyelashes. Yeah. I like fantasy looks instead of like just your typical looks. Because I can do that. I can try and figure it out. Eyelash drying. It's very important to dry the glue before you stick it on your eye. And by dry, I mean like partially dry it. So that way it goes on nice and easy. Come on. Get up there, girl. So, this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think about it. Let me know if you have experienced touch starvation before. Let me know what you guys are doing to combat that. If you are a physical touch love language person, if that is in your like top 3 of the love languages, then I am so sorry. Let me know if you're doing anything that helps you out. If it's weighted blankets. Heated blankets are great, by the way. Heated blankets, weighted blankets, hot showers, cuddling with pets is also really nice during this time. Let me know if what you guys are doing, and yeah, drop a comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you back here on Thursday. Yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in the future. All right, and bye. I realized I forgot to put my fangs in. Look, it's so cute. I love it. Yeah, I never fixed the fangs. I made them and they're crooked. It gives character.